welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome. I'm gonna do another little eye makeup tutorial, so keep watching. Put my headband on, and then we'll grab the sticky tape. Broken off 2 pieces. And we're just going to stick it along the little eye line. And then we'll go on with the Makeup Eye Primer. And just put it all over the eyelid. And just rub it in with your finger. And we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. And then we're going to go in with the shade No Joke. And then you're just going to pat it in the inner corner. And we're going to go in with the shade My Man. And then you just pat it in next to the yellow. And then I'm going to go in the shade G Money and just put it under the yellow. And then we'll go in with Homebody and just put it under the orange. And then we'll go in with Heart On. And then we're just going to dab it on the end here. And then we'll go on with the shade Next. And then we're just going to put it here on top of the red. I've got my little Cirque du Soleil mug. Okay, now once we've done that, we're going to grab our micellar water. I'm going to cut the crease. When you cut the crease, you've got to make sure you do it with the eye open. Now I've got it where I want it, I'm just going to put concealer on the crease. Now I'm going to go in with the Nikita Morphe palette. I'm just going to go in with the shade Nicholas. I'm just going to put it all over the crease. I'm going to go in with the shade Sakura. And I'm just going to put this one just halfway. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Estrogen. And one thing that can help with glitter pigments is if you wet the brush slightly. Now I'm going to use my 10G Glistener Morphe palette. Don't mind the orange, my child destroyed it. Good. I'm going to use the Dream Big. And I'm just going to put it in the inner part. Now I'm going to go in with Love Yourself and just go a little bit over the baby pink part. And I'm just going to use the shade Crazy and just put in to blend the pink and the red together. My partner has requested more yellow, so we're going to use one of these little Suva Hydra FX liners. So these are all water activated. So you've just got to wet the brush and then just swirl it around to get the right consistency. You can do it on your hand first before you put it on there to make sure it's the right thickness. So yeah, I'm just going to put it on the cut crease line. Now I'm just going to use the Maybelline Hyper Easy eyeliner. And take the sticky tape off. Okay, now while my lashes are dry, I'm going to go do my base and I'll be right back. My base is done. Now I'm going to put the lashes on. Go back in with the Maybelline eyeliner and I'm going to do the little inner corner wing. Now we're just going to go in with a normal black pencil and put it on the waterline. We'll go back in with Heart On and just put it underneath the black. Now I'm going to use the Revolution Soap Brows on up my brows now. Now we're going to go on to the lips. Now I'm going to go with the Morphe Trendsetter Lip Pencil. Now we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Rouge Matte Lipstick. Going to go in with a Tarte lipstick in the shade Salt Life. Then we're going with Anastasia Beverly Hills Vintage Lip Gloss. Now we're just going to set it all. Now I'll come back with the finished look. So here is the final look. So please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!